Hey guys, today I'm going to be tackling this beast. I have repotted this aloe several times, and each time I repot, I take out the pups that have grown. This time I'm not going to be repotting, so I'm taking the pups straight from the pot and just going to backfill it in with some cactus soil. And so I wanted to show you guys how we're going to do this. Tools we have today are plastic butter knife. I use this to dig down around and help break the pups loose from the mother. Cactus soil, my spade, and extra pots. Alright, so let's get going. I'm going to just start from the outside, work my way in. I find a pup and where the whole thing is, and I see that this pup and this pup are like right next to each other. So I'm going to first break both of them loose first and then separate them out. Alright, those came apart really easily. Here's where it's connected to the mother, and here are all the roots. And once you get started, a lot of times you can start just wiggling these apart and then breaking minimal roots. Here's another one. Oh, I have ants. No! Wow. This one's a big one. Getting the pups out of here helps redirect the nutrients to producing more of the mother plant. I'm not opposed to her putting off more pups because I always like more and I can provide aloe for other people. This one is closely connected to the mother plant. That's a beauty. Now, she was using her pups to help support her, so I'm going to backfill this a lot higher than it was to help give her some support. Alright, so I got 22 larger aloes and then 7 smaller pups.
From the mail, and you were so excited.
Yeah.
My greenhouse came from the mail, and that was so funny. It was so funny, and it was so hilarious. Man, that was so hilarious, Mama. I want to do this.
What are we doing?
We're gonna put in there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Put in here.
You want to hold this guy up?
Yep.
In here, and I'll backfill it.
Mom,
Hold it up like this.
I want to backfill it.
Sure, backfill it. Thank you. You ready to go make some more dirt?
Yeah. I learned about this. Jesus, the guy on glass. Jesus wasn't from that book about that. What we have to do is believe in him. That's what it says. We have to believe in him.
Believe in who?
Jesus.
What did he do?
He just died on the cross. That's what I said. The Lord is your Savior. He's the Lord. He makes it. see the side and plastic. What's in front? They broke the ball down. What's in for all?
Once and for all? You mean he beat him?
Yeah. Mama?
We're running out of pots. We only have 3 pots and we have 8 aloes.
Mama?
What?
We need to get some more pots.
Can you go get the little ones that are in that big red one?
Starting putting the arrows in the wagon.
Very carefully. Let's go this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, boy. I'm so excited. Wait. Oh.
Can you start putting those aloes on there? Thank you, Eli, for helping me.
Thank you. Thank you, Campbell.
I've got Big Mama Aloe and all her babies in the greenhouse. Eli helped me get them all in there. I put Big Mama Aloe in the greenhouse, not so much for the cold just yet, but because we're scheduled to have a lot of rain and I do not want her to rot. I want to hear about how you propagate your succulents. Put those in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, put those in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That really helps me out. And I will see you next time. Bye.